How to add image over a video in Davinci Resolve. Here are the steps to add an image overlay over a video in Davinci Resolve. First, open Davinci Resolve and create a new project. Import the video and the image you want to overlay. To do this, go to the Media tab, click on the Import button, and select the files from your computer. Drag the video clip to the timeline in the Edit tab. Drag the image to the timeline and place it above the video clip. The image should be on separate video track above the video clip. Select the image clip and go to the Inspector panel on the right side of the screen. In the Inspector panel, click on the Transform tab. In the Transform tab, you can adjust the size, position, and rotation of the image to fit over the video clip. You can also adjust the capacity of the image to make it more transparent. If you want to animate the image, you can use the keyframes in the Transform tab to create movement and changes over time. That's it, your video should now have an image overlay. I hope that I was a big help to you. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and turn on the notification bell and subscribe. Thanks for watching!